Stellar Performance, Unlocking the Secrets. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as intriguing as it is inspiring: stellar performance. This phrase is not just about stars in the sky, it's about shining bright in whatever you do. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the meaning and usage of stellar performance. Before we delve into the full phrase, let's break it down, starting with the word stellar. Originally, stellar relates to stars. When we use stellar in everyday language, we're talking about something outstanding, exceptional, or of the highest quality, much like the awe-inspiring stars that light up the night sky. It's a way to highlight excellence and brilliance. Now, let's look at the word performance. Performance can mean several things, but in the context of our phrase, it refers to how someone does a particular task or activity. This could be acting in a play, playing a sport, delivering a presentation, or even how someone does their job. The key aspect of performance is it's an action that can be observed, evaluated, and appreciated by others. When we combine these two words, stellar performance refers to an exceptionally good or outstanding performance in any field. It's not just about doing well. It's about doing so well that it captivates and impresses, much like a star standing out in the night sky. A stellar performance is memorable, setting a benchmark for excellence and often inspiring others. To fully grasp how to use this phrase, let's see it in action with some examples. The lead actress gave a stellar performance, earning her a standing ovation. Despite the challenges, the team delivered a stellar performance, surpassing all expectations. Your stellar performance in the recent project has really set a new standard for excellence in our team. These examples show that stellar performance can be used in various contexts, from arts and sports to professional and academic achievements. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and usage of stellar performance. This phrase isn't just a compliment. It's a recognition of exceptional skill, effort, and brilliance. We hope this video inspires you to aim for your own stellar performance in whatever you pursue. Remember, in the vast sky of possibilities, you have the potential to shine brightly. Keep learning, keep growing, and maybe one day, someone will describe your achievements as a stellar performance. Until next time, keep shining.